Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is SoFlo Josh and we're here at BMW South Miami to film this 2025 BMW M4 CS for y'all. Now if you guys are interested in purchasing this vehicle currently is available. Make sure to go ahead and contact them. They will be able to assist you. Now the M4 CS, the CS part stands for competition sport. Many people confuse it with carbon sport, but no, CS stands for competition sport. And just like we got for the M3 CS, it's a whole carbon package. It's all in the likeness of losing weight. Now this is 77 pounds lighter than what you would find in an M4 competition with the xDrive unit. So we have that over here. So let's go ahead and talk about some of the main differences. So up at the front of the hood, we have an actual carbon fiber hood for this model. So complete carbon fiber hood. We also get full-on carbon fiber front splitter compared to that of what you find in the M4 competition xDrive. Also, intake system right there on the side is filmed in carbon fiber. The grille is actually different for this model, so it's very reminiscent of what we had with the M4 CSL. So the M4 CSL had this exact same, more like openness grille for feeding more air into the engine. I think it looks really nice, especially with the red around the inserts of the grille. M4 CS badging right over here off the side, which looks good. And your headlights are finished with the same yellow DRL. So this video doesn't pick it up that well, but it does have the yellow DRLs. After it being on for a little bit, it does switch to the white. Now these are the new updated headlights, so they have the snake fang looks to them instead of the angel eyes. Now I know many people don't like the fact that they went for this, but I think it looks super menacing, especially with this front grille. It just looks fantastic. Now over here to the side, we do get a staggered style wheel set. So you're gonna find 19-inch wheels in the front, 20s in the back for this model, but they are forged. They also have drilled rotors as well, full-on M calipers as well. You got your M4 logo right here off to the side on the side fender, carbon fiber mirror cap. We do get carbon fiber roof as well, and it just looks really, really good. Now this color right here is the individual Riviera blue, so it looks fantastic. I love the way this vehicle looks. A lot of people will mistake this color for the voodoo blue, which BMW does also offer in the individual format. We also have the exact same style tail lights that you find on the regular M4 and the M440 and even the 430i if you go ahead and get the M Sport package with the M Professional package as well. M4 CS badging over here to the back. We do get a carbon fiber rear diffuser, and the exhausts are a little bit different. They have more of a matte finish for the outer trim, and then the inside actually has some ventilation as well. So it looks very, very nice. Carbon fiber spoiler as well. And then when we get into the interior, once you open up the door, we do have the same red stitching that we define on the actual M4 CS logo. We get a sill plate right there, and we get the carbon bucket seats. So these are different from what you find in an M4 or M3. So they're gonna have these red inserts in the perforation, and it kind of has like a almost like a heating design to it. I really like the way that BMW has designed it. Full-on carbon fiber. You got the CS badging there instead of it being the M4 badging as well, which is pretty nice to see. And then if you go ahead and push this forward, it does slide forward. So this is still a power seat. You can easily get into the back, and in the back has the exact same design down the middle with the red and black headrest, which is pretty cool. Now if we look over here to the center console area, complete carbon fiber center console. Gone is the center console area where it actually had a lid. Now you have an exposed center console area with the CS badging right here. It's actually padded down here, and then you get some accents all across that are complete carbon fiber with the same exact stitching. You do get a charging USB Type-C right there. You also lose your cup holder. So remember, this is all in the format of adding lightness. That's why BMW created this model. We also get Alcanterra steering wheel, which comes standard for this model. carbon fiber trim all around. You got your M1 and M2. Let's go ahead and get into the interior. And sitting down, these are the carbon seats, so it's a little bit more difficult to get in and out of, but really nice. They actually hug you extremely well. The bolstering on the side is insane. But steering wheel wise, very nice. We got the flat bottom steering wheel with the 12 o'clock red at the top. Everything in this vehicle is phenomenal. I mean, it is a very, very nicely done, designed interior. So underneath the hood is powered by the famous S58 Inline 6 twin turbocharged engine. Now this application actually produces 543 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. Compared to that, to the competition xDrive unit that actually produces 523 horsepower. But as you see, there is a lot of differences. You got the carbon fiber hood over here. You also get a different unit for the strut around the engine for more bracing. BMW has done a lot of things to ensure the lightness of this vehicle, and I think it's just immaculate. The overall design is something that just is menacing. Everything about this vehicle, even the stance, you know, the certain sections that when you look at this car, it just looks phenomenal. But like I mentioned, this vehicle is available right now at BMW of South Miami. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this vehicle or any other BMW, make sure to go ahead and contact them. They'll be able to assist you. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.